Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I finally have the 2020 Beautylish LuckyBag unboxing for you guys. So if you guys are unfamiliar with who Beautylish are, they are a online beauty retailer located in San Francisco in the States. And they have a whole bunch of different brands on their website. Majority of them are quite luxury. They do ship to Australia, which is extremely exciting. Everything is in US dollars, so do be very wary of that. I think we've all made that mistake of adding things into our cart, forgetting the fact that it is in US dollars and then going and paying and then realizing that we're paying a lot more. So do be very careful with that if you do shop on the site, but they are exceptionally fantastic with shipping. I have honestly never had an issue ordering from their site before. And yeah, the way they send their packages and things is just, it's very well thought. Yeah, you can tell that somebody takes a lot of time in preparing the order for you, which is always nice. So anyway, let's go ahead and get straight into this unboxing. Okay, so in this case, I got the smaller box. So this is $75 US, and the idea is that you're going to get double the value inside the box for your money, which is kind of exciting. They do also have a Jeffree Star specific Lucky box as well, which I obviously didn't purchase. And they also have got the XL, which only ships to the States. So the XL, which is I believe $150 US, and again contains double the amount of value inside, only ships to the States at this stage. So that's sad. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. Hooray! So this is what the box looks like inside. As you can see, absolutely outstanding packaging. They do actually collaborate with an artist every year for their packaging, so really, really beautiful. And the other thing, as you can see guys, just up here, they do sign off on whoever packed your box. So again, really, really nice, really, really well thought out way of sending, you know, products to somebody. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. We do have this little card here, and it reads as follows. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes the longevity and good luck. We hope that the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. Hashtag LuckyBag 2020, hashtag Beautylish. So I always try and keep this packaging because I'm just that person. I'm a little bit of a hoarder, but it's just so beautiful that you can't not, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's get into this. Okay, so here are all of our goodies, and as you can see, like, everything's really, really well wrapped. So they really do take a lot of care in shipping. Alright, so the first thing that we have here, oh, this is by Pharmacy, and this is called Bright On Massage Active Vitamin C Mask. So I actually do have the Pharmacy cleansing balm, and I really, really do enjoy that for taking the makeup off at the end of the day. So very, very excited to give this a go. I don't own this, so that will be, yeah, I'm all about getting a little bit of skincare, so that's going to be really cool to see how that goes. Okay, next up we have, oh, this is by Good Molecules. So this brand launched exactly a year ago on the Beautylish website. So this one here is the silicone-free priming moisturizer. So I did get a, oh, what did I get? I ended up gifting it to my mum from Good Molecules last year. It was like a serum, I believe it was. I ended up gifting that to my mum and she really, really enjoyed it. So I think this one I'm going to keep for myself. Very, very excited to see how this goes. I love a good moisturizer. I typically have more dry to combination skin. So yeah, always happy to receive a moisturizer, that's for sure. And the fact that it says priming makes me feel like this is something to use before your makeup, maybe? It just says directions: gently massage onto cleansed skin when using sunscreen. Let priming moisturizer fully absorb before applying, suitable for daily use. And it does say that you can apply it at night or through the day or at night. So anyway, we'll see how that goes. Okay, what do we have here? This is a bit weird. Okay, so Beautylish presents Fox Fur Brush Roll Black. Okay. So this is very, I mean, this feels amazing. If this was like a jumper and we were in the middle of winter, I would very much be vibing. But this is, oh, okay, so it's magnetic. So it opens like this. And then, oh, okay, it's just like a little brush roll. Cool. All right. I suppose that would be good for travel. It's quite small, so I suppose you wouldn't really need to travel with too many more brushes than that. I don't know. I don't know about that. Interesting. Okay. Different. Okay, next up we have a makeup brush, and oh, this is by Sonia G. Oh, I can already tell without even taking it out. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. Now, I do not own any brushes by Sonia G. I have always wanted to. I have heard spectacular things about them. This does feel exceptionally soft. These are natural hair brushes, and they are made in Japan. Absolutely amazing, and it feels very, very weighty. So I know these brushes are quite expensive, so I'm extremely, it says Japan on here and it says Worker 2, so this is the Worker 2 brush. So I'm very, very excited to add this to my collection and give it a go. Normally in the previous boxes that I've received, I normally get Wayne Goss brushes, so this is very, very exciting and something very different for me, so yay. Okay, next up we have the palette. Now this, here it is. I don't even, is that Miss Fame? I'm pretty sure it is. Oh my goodness. This is the Miss Fame eyeshadow palette. She just recently came out. So Miss Fame, if you don't know, is a very famous drag queen, and she just recently relaunched her own makeup brand. It's Miss Fame. How cool is that? Of course it's Miss Fame. You can tell. Hello. Anyway, let's have a look at this. It's just going to take this sleeve off. Okay, so straight up looking at this packaging, which I absolutely live for, by the way. This packaging looks amazing, and it feels extremely weighty. So it feels very, very heavy, very luxury. I literally do not even know what this eyeshadow palette looks like. So, ooh. Just gonna take the little protector thing off. So you do get a very nice mirror in this palette, and this is, I'm just gonna turn it that way. This is what the palette looks like. So they look to be all metallic slash shimmers. How interesting. Okay. I honestly do not know how I feel about this. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Look, I think I'm gonna have to do a video on it. I'm definitely gonna have to swatch it. I always get a bit funny when a palette's released and it's just one form of shadow. So, I mean, like, as you can see, obviously there are no mattes in here. So it's gonna be interesting creating a look. I don't honestly think that I would be able to create a look using just the shadows that are in this palette alone. So, yeah, I don't know how I feel about this one, guys. Not gonna lie. Should we just go ahead and swatch one? Maybe I'll do that and it might like change my mind. Just popping it down, I can definitely see a lot of different shifts. So I feel like we might have a few duochromes happening here. And some of the formulas definitely feel quite different. Like, and in this case, it's quite chunky. So let's just see how they swatch. Okay, so that's some of them right there. Focus, there we go. Yeah. Okay. A video will be coming soon on this. That's all I have to tell you guys. All right, last item we have, oh, this is by Jouer. Very nice. So this is in the shade Rose. I think it's a lipstick, lip gloss maybe, we'll see. Okay, this is a lip cream. This looks quite pretty. Oh, look at that. Is that normal? I mean, the color looks amazing, but see how chunky that just came out? Guys, what's going on? I normally have like really good experiences with LuckyBags. What? Like the Beautylish one anyway. Okay, so that's the shade. It's a metallic rose color. It's quite pretty. I actually don't mind rocking a metallic lip, so I can definitely see myself wearing that. It just came out a little bit strange, but yeah, very excited to have received that. Very happy to give that a go and test it out. I think it will be pretty much just like the other Jouer products I own. I do like Jouer. I think that they make a very nice lipstick or liquid lip. So yeah, not mad about receiving that at all. And that's literally everything. So that's the last item. So having a look at that, guys, I will of course have the total value somewhere here on the screen for you guys to check out. Look, in comparison to previous years, I don't know that I'm overly, like, thrilled with this box, to be honest. So I kind of feel like, I don't know, I sort of feel like the I don't know, not value, but I sort of feel like the excitement and products and what you receive, it's kind of going downhill a little bit. So I am a little bit surprised. I will admit I did watch a couple of unboxings of other Beautylish 2020 Lucky Bags, and I did see a lot of discontinued items in these bags, specifically you know, Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette and Sultry palette. I own both of those, so I am extremely happy that I did not get any double ups. I mean, I will just preface that it is a lucky bag, so at the end of the day you never know what you're going to get, so you can't obviously be too mad, I guess, at it. But you know, yeah, it's just when I look at previous years that I have, so this is the third year that I've done this. If you guys are interested, I will be sure to link the other unboxings that I have done for the previous years up top for you to check out. But yeah, I don't know, I'm a little bit underwhelmed, I think is the best way that I can sum this up. I really am quite unsure about the Miss Fame eyeshadow palette. That just, oh, I don't know about that. Very, very excited regards to the Pharmacy product. But again, like, this isn't overly, Pharmacy isn't overly luxury, so I will just say that. Same with Jouer, same with Good Molecules. So like the most luxurious thing I feel that I've received is the Sonia G brush. The rest of it's all kind of not cheap, but I just, maybe I could have, you know, for $75 US spent, I could have gotten 2 Sonia G brushes maybe, or maybe 1.5 Sonia G brushes, and maybe felt a little bit happier. I don't know. Is that bad to say? Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about this box, and if you've seen my previous unboxings, let me know what you think, if you can see a difference or if I'm just being a little bit bratty. I don't know. Maybe I am. Maybe my expectations were too high. Who knows? Anyway, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will look forward to seeing you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.